Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be teaching you about baking. Before we start, please subscribe and press the bell button to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Let's get started. Number 1. Meaning of baking. Baking is a method of cooking food using dry heat, usually in an oven. It involves preparing a batter or dough and cooking it until it's firm, light, and often golden brown. Baking is appropriate for foods that have enough moisture, such as potatoes and flour mixtures for cakes, bread, and other food items. Baking as a method of cooking normally gives baked food items a characteristic flavor, aroma, texture, and color. Common baked goods include bread, cakes, pastries, and cookies. Number 2. Materials and equipment used in baking. The main equipment used in baking is an oven. Other tools include mixing bowls, measuring cups and spoons, a whisk, spoon or spatula for mixing, a sieve for sifting flour, baking trays or pans to hold the batter or dough, a cooling rack to cool baked goods, and a rolling pin to flatten dough, for example, for pies or cookies. An electric mixer can be used to save time when mixing. A pastry brush is used for glazing or greasing pans. Number 3. Baking ingredients. The main ingredients in baking are flour, which gives the baked goods its main structure; sugar, which is a sweetener, and also helps in browning; butter, margarine, or oil, which adds moisture and richness; eggs, which bind the ingredients together and also add structure and richness; milk or water, which adds moisture; baking powder or soda, which are leavening agents that make baked goods rise; salt, which enhances the flavor of baked goods; and vanilla or other flavorings which add aroma and taste. Never leave the oven unattended while baking. Clean up spills immediately to avoid slipping. Keep electrical cords away from water. And always turn off appliances when done. Number 6. Improvising equipment when baking at home. If you don't have some baking tools, you can use a large pot with a lid as an oven on the stove. You can use a fork or spoon instead of a whisk. A clean bottle can be used as a rolling pin. A cup or jar for measuring if you don't have measuring tools. A plate or tray covered in foil can be used instead of a baking tray. And the lid of a pot can be used as a cooling rack. Number 7. Steps to follow when baking a cake using the rubbing in method. Four. Sift flour and salt into a mixing bowl. 5. Add butter or margarine and rub it into the flour using your fingertips until the mixture looks like breadcrumbs. 6. Add sugar and any dry flavoring, for example, nutmeg. 7. Beat eggs and mix with milk or water. 8. Add the wet mixture to the dry ingredients and stir gently. 9. Pour batter into the baking tin. 10. Bake in the oven until golden brown and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. 11. Cool on a wire rack. Numbers 8. How to store baked cake appropriately. Cool the cake completely before storing. Wrap the cake tightly with cling film or foil to prevent it from drying out. Use an airtight container to store the cake. If it's a plain cake, store it in a cool, dry place for 1 to 2 days. If the cake has frosting, cream, or fruit, store it in the refrigerator for up to a week. To freeze, wrap the cake well and label it. It can be stored in the freezer for up to 3 months. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. Subscribe and press the bell button for more videos. See you next time.